at that, folks. That's a nice spud. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Whoa. They're still coming. Oh, whoa, they're still coming. Look at that. Oh, good Lord. Wow. Come on, the baby ones was good too. Paid a fortune for them in store. Whew. I'm not getting no younger. But that's another nice row of spuds. Just look. Look at that spud. That's a nice spud. So I'll give you a little flyover. I got my first through here yesterday. First one I harvested was long here. This is my second drew. So I'll give you a little pan over. Way prettier today than yesterday, not raining. I got 3 more drews to take. And if they keep being so successful, there's people ask what these were. Titty balls or potato seeds. Just remember, you can set them, you just won't get the same potato. Won't be that much difference, I wouldn't say. Still be a potato, but it won't be the exact potato. So that's why we sit pulling right tubeless. So I'm going to do a little flyover. Try not to make you sick here, folks. So yeah, you can say that I'm quite happy with the harvest. This is just my second row now, and that is a lot of potatoes. So the key to keeping your seed potatoes now, remember, you don't want to go buying next year's seed potatoes. So select one this size. Remember in my previous videos, I made with the 4 quarters in my hand. So pick one this size. Pick 10 from all the drew. Don't wash them. You don't want to wash these. So you want to leave those, just let nature dry them. Store them in a cold place. In a box, in the dark. I got a good cold room down in my basement. There's a closet that sits against the corner of the concrete wall. So what I'll do is, so that's 20 potatoes now. And there's the 2 rows. I'm going to put 20 up unwashed. You don't want them washed because you want them to be your seed potatoes for next year. So if you think that growing potatoes is hard, well, once you get your soil going, and you gotta keep adding stuff that composes down, that breaks down, right? So like this was all killed last year. I put a couple inches of killed on there just before the snow come. You see it's breaking down, soil's turning nice. So you need that in your soil. That'll keep it going. Anyway, I think this is by far this year potato in my garden. So see how it makes out when they all get dug. Okay, see you in a little bit. Hi. Look at that. Look at that. So every little one I'll be keeping. Nice to see nice to see the worms in the soil. I've been working the garden now for a couple of years. I tries to bring worms in the soil. That's nice to see. So oh, look at the nice worm. Nice. Worms in the soil is a sign of good stuff rotting in the soil. So you need stuff rotting. Oh. I turned a lot of rocks out of this garden with screen, but As you can see, I can sure turn some more out, but it all comes over time, right? Look at that. Beautiful worm there. Oh. Wow. Keep coming. What it's all about. Oh. There's some nice potatoes there. Really surprised. So the nice layer compost of seaweed. Put around 4 inches of seaweed on this bed and all this last year, and it looked like the work paid off because that's a lovely spud. Look at that. And they're all reds, so the easy thing to do right now is to sorry, I had to move you. Thing to do now is to put up one for next year, and you check out my potato growing video. They only got to be an ounce. So have people wondering what this is. It grows on your plant. Well, simple. It's potato seeds. So we clone potatoes, sorry. We clone potatoes, but these potato balls, or in Newfoundland, these is called titty balls. As kids, you see the little seed in them. As kids, we would throw them at one another when we was out in the field digging with our dads. So you see the seed? These are actually seeds, but what you're going to get is not the potato. You won't get the potato that you get from cloning. Well, setting a tubular in the ground, and you get the exact plant. Taking seed that have been pollinated now by bees and pollinators, you will not probably get this exact potato. You might get a potato that's mixed with this one and russets. Still, I would say it would be a good potato, but yeah, I really like the turnout with my spuds. So I'm going to keep digging. When I'm done, I'll give you a flyover. Okay.